Thanks for stopping by to the Flavor Chef Kitchen. Today we do some jerk chicken on a stick. So I wash the jerk chicken with some vinegar, add some blend of seasoning, add that to it, some jerk seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and some tropical jerk wet seasoning. While that marinate, we get some pimento or allspice. We add it to the fire, blaze it up. You get me? Yeah, then we add the chicken. While that is doing, we use about the same sauce, add it to a pot with some ketchup and some salt and some more jerk seasoning to it. Give it back that flavor. While that reduce, just like that, chicken supposed to be ready. That's how you want your chicken, not too overcooked, nice and juicy. Don't make nobody tell you that you can't have jerk chicken overseas. Jamaican jerk seasoning. You add the sauce to it. If you guys like